From the producers of Light Rain and the acclaimed direction of Extreme Wind, teams up to bring you Quakes, starring Vinnie Putz from the hit TV show Amigos, and Susan Sneed, the producer's daughter, in her first big role. One man, one woman, two really big earthquakes. One love story. The same forces of nature that brought these two together may very well be the same forces of nature that could bring these two apart. In Quakes. Critics say breathtaking. LA Times reports stunning. Oh my god, I've seen this movie 12 times this week, and Vinny, if you're watching, I love you! Wow, man, that was like the best movie ever. Hey, let's go see it again, alright? Cool.
The movie was so powerful. I felt the ground shake beneath my feet. Thumbs up.
Fred, a acclaimed movie critic, gives it 4 stars and said it's destined to be a classic. Brought to you by Sneed Productions. Coming this summer, 1998.